Shri Paramatmane Namah. May the Almighty bless you all with good luck, good health, happiness, peace and prosperity in your lives. We are asked this question many times by our clients that which gemstone would give better results, a oval shaped gemstone, a rectangular shaped gemstone, or a square shaped gemstones. These are the mostly common shapes which are available in the astrological gemstones. So I wanted to clarify the doubts on this topic through this video today. Actually, we should understand first the science behind how these gemstones give us astrological results. The gemstones have to absorb, filter and transfer their respective planetary cosmic rays from the nature, and they have to filter the planetary rays into our body. This is the purpose of the astrological gemstone. So the wider the cut of the gemstone, the more surface area would be there in the gemstone, the more it will be able to filter and transfer the cosmic rays through itself into our body. So the gemstones that gives us better astrological results are the gemstones which are a bit flattish in cut. So as compared to the gemstones which are too deep in cut and having less surface area, a gemstone which would be having a more surface area, more flattish cut, would be the gemstone that will be able to filter and transfer more rays through itself into our body. So the most important thing in the gemstone is that it should be a bit flattish cut, and it should be an evenly and well proportionately cut gemstone as compared to a gemstone which is a very uneven cut gemstone. A very uneven or disproportionate gemstone would leak a lot of the rays through the different parts of the gemstone, whereas a well proportionate cut gemstone and a bit flattish cut gemstone would be able to filter and transfer the maximum cosmic rays into our body. So whether the gemstone is a square gemstone or an oval gemstone or a rectangular gemstone, it actually does not matter. What matters is the gemstone should be a bit flattish in cut, and it should be a well proportionate cut gemstone. Now this filtration and rays transfer theory is effective, or it works only in the gemstones which have the purpose of filtering the rays and transferring the rays into our body, like the emerald, the ruby, the yellow sapphire, the blue sapphire, the white sapphire or the diamond, and the hezonite are the gemstones which follow this principle of filtering and transferring their respective planetary cosmic rays through them into our body, whereas the gemstones like cat's eye, red coral and pearl and opal, these kind of gemstones which are opaque and not transparent, they do not work on this theory of transferring and filtering the cosmic rays into our body. These gemstones work according to the vibrational energy transfer principle through them into our body. So the cut actually does not matter too much in the case of these opaque gemstones, but in the case of the transparent gemstones, the cut is one of the very important characteristics for a good astrologically effective gemstone. It should be well proportionate cut and having a good transparency through which it transfers the rays into our body. Thank you very much. God bless you all.